Merry Christmas, everyone! You're too good, my neck.
Rudolph, my dear, the forecast ain't clear, so will you please light
Merry Christmas! Welcome back. I feel like December has just blown by. We weren't able to go to the ocean for the longest time. In fact, it's literally been since Thanksgiving. A whole month went by of just school practice for Alex with her acting thing. The weather was pretty rough. It was raining a lot in December. It wasn't just like the rain. The waves were...
Yeah, they weren't really
like
good.
The South Shore was flat.
Dead.
And the North Shore was
Too big.
Yeah, we were like, we're like...
Trying to die.
Yeah. So it was a little bit of a rough month for sure. But Christmas came, and it was a really good Christmas. Wonderful Christmas?
Yes, we had a lot of presents. Yes. Well, some were from Jack, Grandma, and Tutu.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Happy Christmas.
No, you're not a slowpoke. You're doing great.
Rudolph, my friend, once more will you lend?
So we had a smaller tree. I like big trees. It kind of hurt to have a small tree.
I didn't remember how small it was.
Our tree, because we got it when we were RVing, right? Like
So it looked decent size for an RV.
Only one who can save the day. Save the day. Now will you pull my sleigh?
You had a wonderful Christmas?
Yes.
And what was your favorite toy?
My favorite toy was that.
What is
My favorite toy was you get to color with like markers and crayons and chalk.
It's that 3D map thing.
Rudolph, my
Oh my god. Yep. You're welcome, Haley. It's a dancing game for Haley.
Rudolph, my dear.
Well, I know that's from Grandma.
It's from their grandparents to aunt and uncles and cousins, and it was good. So, and plus, like, because they were really into the presents, it took a long time to open them. It wasn't like we just blazed through them.
A lot of tiny ones.
A lot of tiny ones, a lot of arts and crafts stuff, a lot of little things to make. And you went surfing?
Yes.
My Christmas present was going to the beach. And even though I didn't go surfing this time, I enjoy watching Alex go out and surf. And I was really hoping that she would go out there, and she did amazing.
Somebody help me now.
Haley, do you want to go surfing? You don't want to go surfing?
I just do this.
I'm sorry, but
Oh, that's.
oh yeah, go ahead.
It better this time than any prior time. How did you pull that off?
Like to say, we were about to catch a party wave between the two of us, and it was actually like pretty exciting. Like we both had the wave catcher boards. We were about to stand. I got up, she got up. Be excited.
Superman
both
off
of
the
us.
board. It was like, whoa! But Haley and I were just hanging out on the beach, and you know, Alex got tired a little bit. She came in, and sometimes she just wants to hang out with her sister and play on the beach too, and that's fine.
I know you did amazing, dude.
How did that?
High five that.
How did that?
I don't know how you did it. You want your chips?
Like, what was it like riding that surfboard?
Talking about Alex's?
Yeah, Alex's surfboard. What was it like?
Such a long board or a shorter board.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It was a
it took me a
skipper.
second to find my placement. first one, I was too far up, so when I would catch the wave, it would just nosedive. And then the second one, I think I was like too far back.
Yo. Haleiwa, you see a lot of kids, but White Plains, you see the true beginners.
Yeah.
That's where you see the true beginners, and it's nice because there's so many waves spread out.
Yeah, it's across a long stretch of
even
beach.
when you get there, the parking lot was packed. The place was just
That was
hopping.
the
Most amount of people, and
Christmas.
but even with that, because there are so many waves spread out, that it didn't feel crowded. It felt fine. We weren't competing for waves, because that's really intimidating as a beginner when you're staring down a little group of people all kind of waiting for the same wave.
Was that a good day?
Yes.
High five it, dude. Merry Christmas. Surfing.
Coming in, landing.
That was cool. You guys did amazing. That was probably your best session, I think, together. Hey, kiddo. Alex. Alex, we're home, dude. We're home. Alex. Alex. Kiddo, we're home. Alex, we're home. Alex.
Mahalo.
Tomorrow, I think we should go surfing again. We gotta work on turns. You gotta work on turning. So does Alex. And we'll do some more practice. It's gonna be a beautiful day.
I don't think I really decided. I don't know. Maybe because we took, I don't know, maybe like a month or so off. Like, felt weird, but I don't know, my placement initially was horrible.
Yes, it was. You were struggling the
Both
first
on, like
10
laying on the
minutes.
board, like paddling to, or like catching a wave paddling, to like actually setting and standing. Just took a few attempts to like get it back. So I didn't really. The couple times that I did try to kind of turn the board, like felt like it was gonna turn if I really like put effort into it.
All right, you guys. Mahalo. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys out there.